Good morning. Good morning. I am building my credit, and today I am sending out some mail. And so today marks the first day of something great. All right, I'm going to send it off. All right, so Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian have been served, officially served. So I'm posting this on as a video because I wanted to date and make record of the second phase of my credit builder. And so I'm thankful for being able to do this, and I'm excited because my credit score is going to be repaired. It's going to be restored, and it's also going to be, let me put my seatbelt on. It's going to help me because without credit you can't buy a house, you can't get an apartment or even a car. You need good credit, and there are solutions to correcting and having things removed from your credit report legally, and with the help of attorneys and people with this company that's assisting me. Shout out to Manuel. I am able to fix it, and it is going to be a release, a big weight that's going to be lifted once I do this. So till next time, thanks.